Hello. Are you an artist and want to immortalize your works by turning them into NFTs? Or are you an entrepreneur and want to start a cryptocurrency business? Or maybe you just want to start making a profit with crypto? But you feel that it is hard to build on the crypto space and you are struggling expressing your ideas. You may ask yourself, is crypto only for people that understand computers? If you're looking to get into the crypto world and don't find an easy tool to do so, look no more. Welcome to DexKit Wizard, your builder for crypto applications. You can build your own crypto app. This builder will be your best friend to bring your ideas to the world of cryptocurrencies and help you start earning money right away. Create your NFT marketplace with endless customizations and easy tools the way you want. Earn cryptocurrencies by selling your NFTs or other people's NFTs. You even can customize the fees you want to charge on top of your sales. Do you want to build a more powerful crypto app? DexKit Wizard counts with additional swap functionality. You can build custom pages to show off your tokens and place custom widgets as well. Selling NFTs or your token was never so easy. DexKit Wizard encompasses everything the crypto entrepreneur needs to start his business. Start earning today. Go to bit.ly/dexkit-wizard right away and start building your next big crypto project.